Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the dataset goals and concrete labeling taxonomy so every image has a purpose. Once defined, pick consistent capture hardware and set controlled lighting to reduce variance. Now begin capturing a small pilot set. Collect 5,200 images per class to validate your pipeline. While shooting, save file names that encode class and sequence and log metadata like exposure, camera model, and location. This early discipline prevents messy data later and makes the next steps predictable. Once you have raw images, run automated quality filters to remove duplicates, out-of-focus shots, and irrelevant frames. This keeps noise low. Next, open your annotation tool and label consistently. Define label guidelines, use templates, and cross-check a sample for agreement. After labeling, create augmentation scripts that expand real variability without breaking realism. Do rotations, crops, and slight color shifts. Make sure to version both annotations and augmentations so you can reproduce or roll back changes. To finish, partition your dataset deliberately. Reserve test scenes or times to measure real-world generalization and avoid random leakage. Then bundle images, annotations, and a manifest file, tag with a version and content hashes, and push to secure backups. For delivery, provide converters to common formats like COCO and TF record. If results are poor, start troubleshooting by auditing label consistency, checking class imbalance, and ensuring augmentations didn't create unrealistic samples. Relabel or rebalance, then retrain with the corrected set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.